I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming availability and account readiness. First, check service at your address. If 5G isn't live, you can't force it. Once done, verify your plan supports 5G and request an upgrade if needed. Make sure you have a 5G-capable CPE or router, or a 5G SIM and phone that can act as a hotspot. Gather account ID, address proof, and device IMEI so you can move immediately to ordering hardware or scheduling installation. Next, you order the 5G CPE or bring a compatible 5G router to activation. Once the device arrives, schedule a technician if required, or follow the self-install guide. Connect power, SIM, and antenna as directed. After powering up, log into the router UI, configure APN and WAN mode to 5G or automatic. Change SSID and strong passwords, enable DHCP, and immediately update firmware. These steps ensure your home network uses the 5G backhaul securely and performs at Finally, validate the connection. Run multiple speed tests, check latency, and inspect signal bars on the CPE. If speeds are low, reposition or tighten external antenna orientation and ensure no major obstructions. If it still fails, reboot the CPE, reseat the SIM, and check firmware. Reset to factory only as a last resort because you'll need to reconfigure. If problems persist, contact Jio support with your device serial, timestamps, and test logs so they can escalate and resolve provisioning or tower-side issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.